Hello everyone, thank you for joining. My name is Mikhail, I'm from Espin, and this is Espin Nessus Professional Technical Overview. Nessus Vulnerability Scanner Professional. What is it for? Nessus Vulnerability Scanner for patch, configuration and compliance audit, broad asset discovery and profile mobile, botnet discovery, malware, and sensitive data identification, and actually more than. For example, the complete vulnerability coverage is virtualization in cloud, malware and botnets, configuration auditing, and web applications. The Nessus prevent network attacks by identifying vulnerabilities, configuration issues that hackers use to penetrate your network. Okay, so the one of the main and powerful, incredible feature is an audit, and any IT professional can say that. So, for Windows operation system auditing, Nessus can test for any settings that can be configured as a policy under Microsoft Windows framework. There are several thousand registry settings that can be audited, and the permission of files, directions, objects can also be analyzed. A partial list of examples include testing the settings of the following: account lookup duration, retail security log, allow log on locally, and enforce password history. Okay, audits and vulnerabilities. Nessus can perform vulnerability scan of network, services, as well as log into service to discover any missing patches. However, a lack of vulnerabilities doesn't mean the services are configured correctly or compliant with a particular standard. Advantage of using Nessus to perform vulnerability scans and compliance audits is that all of this data can be obtained in one time. Knowing how server configured, how it's patched, and what vulnerabilities are present can help determine issue to mitigate the risk. At a higher level, if this information is aggregated for an entire network or asset, class, security and risk can be analyzed globally. One of the following examples we can analyze by Tenable Security Center. This allows auditors and network managers to spot trends in non-compliant systems and adjust controls to fix this on a larger scale. Okay, so policy compliance and configuration scanning policy. The Nessus provides you ability to configure and edit the policy, compliance policy. Actually, you can create new one or edit the existing compliance policy. It doesn't matter. However, it is very useful for you. Already exists. You can obtain the existing compliance checks, for example, Cisco IS compliance checks, QRP compliance checks, database compliance checks, IMD, I-Series compliance checks, PCI DSS, And the other point, following PCI DSS as a database, reachable from the internet, handling false positives, in secure communication has been detected, remote access software has been detected, pasted test requirements, and the other is a Unix compliance checks, Windows compliance checks, Windows file contains compliance checks. Actually, you can reach it by proceed on the plugins and compliance policy. Also, there is from the left side you can see the configuration which you can set, which is more necessary for you for your auditing. Okay, so as usual, we mention the operation system requirements, and you can see on the board operation system support from Nessus Manager and Nessus Professional, variety of operation system. All the operation system are working on 32 and 64-bit platform. You can see Debian 6 and 7, Kali Linux i386, okay, Fedora 20 and 21, FreeBSD 10, and Macintosh operation system 10.8, 10.9 and 10.10, Red Hat ES5, Standard OS 5, Oracle Linux 5, Red Hat ES6, Central 6, Oracle Linux 6, and Red Hat ES7 with Central OS 7 and Oracle Linux 7. Last two is working on the server, desktop and workstation. So as you see, 10 and 11, Ubuntu 10.04 with package 9.10, and the other following version is 11.10, 12.04, 12.10, 13.04, 13.10 and 14.04 i386, and as I told you, it's working on the 32 and 64-bit platform. Okay, and the Windows Server 2008, Server 2008 R2, Server 2012, and R2, same thing, here is 32 and 64-bit platform, and the Windows 7 and 8. Okay, and system requirements for Nessus Edge. The following system also working on 32 and 64-bit platform, as a Fedora 20 and 21, Mac OS with 10.10, 8.9 and 10 operation system, Red Hat 5, 6 and 7, Windows Server 2008 R2 and 2012 in R2, and 7 Windows and Windows 8 with 32 is 64-bit platform. Okay, and one of the important part is the other set of requirements, CPU and memory. Okay, for the CPU it should be one dual core, 2 GHz Intel CPU, dual core Intel for macOS, and memory 2 GB random access memory or 4 GB is recommended. Disk space 30 GB at least. And for the scanning large networks processing, audio trails and PDF report generation is a CPU 1 dual core, 2 GHz Intel CPU, 2 dual core recommended, memory 3 or 4 GB, better if you will have 8 GB random access memory. Thank you so much for being with us. If you require any further information, please contact us or just visit our website www.e-espincorp.com. Thank you.